Look at that beauty. The most tender part of the cow, the filet mignon. Is it over the top? Yes, but why not? It's from the small end of the tenderloin, near the spine, and cuts near the backbone are not used very much, which makes them more tender. Cuts like the rump, the chuck, they get used a lot. The muscles get used a lot, which makes them more tough. But that is tender as anything. Tastes delicious. It's at room temperature. A lot of people are afraid to cook with this because it's expensive and you can easily destroy it. But I'm going to show you how to cook it properly. Right, for the filet mignon, we're going to season it. And also I'm going to be using a cast iron pan. First, add a little drop of oil to the meat. This helps the salt stick. And season well. As you can see, my pan's smoking. Don't be afraid, that's what you want. So now, veg oil, straight in. Next, your meat. Get a good crust on that. Look at that, that's what I'm talking about. When the steak is cooked, rest for 10 minutes.